Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. What is the default MPBGP address family on iOS XR? Option A. IPv6 unicast. Option B. There is no default address family. Option C. IPv4 unicast. Option D. VPN v4. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. There is no default address family. Question 2. Which command removes a user from configuration mode but keeps the user connected to the router? Option A. Clear line. Option B. Clear session. Option C. Clear commit. Option D. Clear config session. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. Clear config session. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.